Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel, and today I really want to talk about NVIDIA because NVIDIA looks amazing right now at this moment. Let's talk about it. Let's do a complete multiple time frame analysis on NVIDIA, starting with the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, we see that NVIDIA retested the previous bottom level at 209 over here, around this area. That's great. And we see a very strong reaction. It is bouncing back up to the 21 exponential moving average. This is going to be a natural resistance for NVIDIA in the short term. However, look at this volume. The volume looks weird. It looks very, very good, to be honest with you guys. Now, since we found a resistance, it would be natural to see NVIDIA doing this, okay? Dropping a little bit. As long as this drop over here does not lose the previous support level, that's just fine, because NVIDIA might trigger a possible bullish pivot point chart pattern in the 1 hour chart. If NVIDIA drops, does a bottom higher than the previous bottom, it has decent chances of recovering nicely. So let's pay attention to NVIDIA right now, because if it triggers a bullish structure in the 1 hour chart, it is going to be the confirmation sign you will want, you really need the most in order to open a long position on it. Now, NVIDIA in the daily chart looks even better. In the daily chart, NVIDIA looks great. It does not look as great as your like button, but it does look great. If you're new around here, consider subscribing to this channel because I do daily videos. I'm gonna update you guys on NVIDIA, Tesla, Apple, many other stocks. I do believe this video will be extremely helpful to you guys, so consider subscribing. Now, NVIDIA in the daily chart, see this bottom level, this black line at 208. This point was a multiple support level. It worked once, twice, thrice over here. Now we see another reaction as usual. Now, this reaction, it is almost a piercing line candlestick pattern. It could be a Harami candlestick pattern as well. It doesn't matter. It is a bullish reaction. If tomorrow we do break today's high, it is going to confirm a bullish candlestick pattern in the daily chart, potentially taking NVIDIA to this purple line again. However, if you ask my humble opinion, I think we are doing a descending triangle in the daily chart. See this purple line over here? See this black line? It looks like a descending triangle. To me, if we do break this black line, this purple line, we have decent chances of triggering this pattern upwards. In that case, 269 is going to be our first stop. Now, why 269? Because it is this previous top level. What's more, when we analyze the 1 hour chart again, we see a crystal clear open gap over here. As far as I know, NVIDIA, just like Tesla, just like Apple, NVIDIA always filled its gaps as long as the gaps appeared above the price. When it gaps down, okay? So this gap over here, statistically speaking, it has 100% chances of getting filled. Okay, 100% chances. I don't know when, I don't know how, but I do believe it's going to get filled at some point in the mid-short term. Now, if it does trigger this pattern in the daily chart, fantastic. This is going to be our first sign. If it does trigger a bullish structure in the 1 hour chart, that's going to be another sign. Now, when we analyze the weekly chart, NVIDIA is still clearly bullish. Yes, we lost the EMA, the 21 exponential moving average. Yes, we did. But right now, since it seems we are trying to find a bottom level over here, it seems that this movement is just the volatility speaking. It is just because NVIDIA went up too much, too fast from this point. Let's see if Fibonacci can tell us something. It does. It does want to tell us something right now. NVIDIA is quite close to the 61.8% retracement. We didn't hit that point yet, but we could hit that point. And right now we are seeing a very good reaction in the daily chart. In the 1 hour chart it is looking good. If it does find a support level over here in this area, I think we have decent chances of doing a short mid-term reaction, bullish reaction that could bring us at least to $269. Again, in the weekly chart, the trend is bullish, so the trend is in your favor. This point over here is our next resistance to work with. We do have a very good support level down here, so I think we do have a very nice and strong bullish thesis on NVIDIA for the short midterm. I will keep you guys updated on this and on more stocks, so remember, my dear friend, to click on the like button to subscribe at this channel, because we always do very helpful technical content in this channel. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe. Farewell.